itong taong ito is trying to really belittle me. It's not really for the aid of legislation ng kanyang pakay eh. Wala naman dapat idagdag pa eh. The way she talks, the way she address me, you have to consider, Risa Hontiveros, this is a worldwide ministry of 7 million people under me. And I have to protect them. And you try to destroy my reputation by those witnesses that you put up there. We are on social media. All over the world, they are watching. And you're trying to dissuade them from believing me. I have to protect myself, not because I'm guilty. I have to protect myself from all of your unjust persecution to destroy the kingdom. Yung mga inakusan mong yan, policy ng kingdom dito, no one is ever forced to do anything against their will. May pulis dyan sa tabi ng aking ng wall ng kingdom. Walking distance. Merong pulis dyan na detachment. The kingdom citizens here, all of them, can walk by and go to the police if there is something that they don't like here. Like a crime that happened. Tulad itong isang witness niya. 2012, dumating daw dito. I can voice out now because I'm not in Senate. Nakikinig lang ako. Ni-rape ko daw after 3 days dumating siya dito. And she stayed 8 years. Going back and forth to Ukraine. And we traveled all over the world. She's singing in the choir. She's very happy. And she brought her parents here. And pinakilala ako. Tinreat ko siya dito as a family. And she went back and forth. Wala naman nag-report doon sa Ukraine o dito. O, tulad nung unang alias Amanda. Ni-rape din. O, nung nagdemanda siya after 5 years, ginlugan namin ang lahat police stations dito sa Davao. No one by that name ever reported a crime of rape. Ginalugad namin ang lahat ng mga ospital. No one in that name ever was medically examined that she was raped. Puro gawa-gawa lahat ang ginawa nila. Because they want to put us down here, lalo na yung umalis dito, those are the author of all of these accusations. Pareha sa Amerika, pareha din dito. Kasi hindi nila nangyari doon eh. Ngayon, din nila dito. Nagtatawagan yan eh. Nagtatawagan yan. Tinatawagan nila mga members namin, yung mga makakaya pa nilang tawagan. But, hindi kayo magsilbi. Kasi, ang membership, alam nila ang buhay natin dito. Here, pinilit ka against your will. Pag sinabi mo, I want to go out of the ministry. I want to be released from the ministry. Right away, you can go to the HRD. You face the lawyer to release you there. Bigyan ka ng release paper. Yung alias Rene, nag-akusa kay Mayor at sa akin at si Inday Sara, binigyan ko kayo ng copy. Documented lahat ng workers dito. Document 101 yan. I can tour you into the office. There, administration building namin. Every worker yan, mayroon document yan. Bawat isa pag pumasok dito. Whether good or bad ang ginawa mo, nakalista lahat yan. O, hindi ka makapagkaila. Kaya binigay ko yung record ng alias Rene na yan, Michael Maurilio, isa-isa sa inyo, meron kayong envelope. Meron kayong folder. O, paano yan? May mga procedure yan, may mga proseso. Umalis siya dito, nirelease siya, pumirma siya, lahat pinirmahan niya before he can be released. 2021, na-release na siya. Dumating si Mayor doon sa Glory Mountain 2023. Hindi kasama si Sarah. Never was Sarah in the Glory Mountain.
Hindi pa nakapunta Sarah doon.
Hindi pa nakapunta si Sarah sa Glory Mountain. Si Mayor lang nakapunta sa 2023. And this guy was released 2021. Nagpunta kayo doon, mga banateros, sa Glory Mountain. Doon siya sa skyline, skynet, ang tinatawag namin. Yung may golf course, yung may kubo, at yung may tent. Doon naka-assign ng taong yun. Nakita ninyo kung gaano kalayo ang chopper landing? 4 kilometers, hindi mo makikita. Oh, gaganong-ganong ka pa. Tapos nakita daw niya, ako magbigay, yung staff ko, kahit Bible ko lang, ayaw lang pabitbit sa akin eh. Baril pa, ang isang bag. Kaya blatant lies are there in that Senate, and you, Risa Hontiveros, knows that. And you are perpetrating a lie. How can I respect you? Alam mo, lie yan. Nagtatawanan pa nga kayo doon sa likod ng kwarto ninyong yan bago kayo dumating doon sa harap eh. Meron nakakita sa inyo. Nagtatawanan, nagha-high five pa kayo. Oh, nagtatawanan kayo doon. Alam niyo kasi lungalingan yung ginagawa nyo. But you try to be like parang formal ka doon sa harap, parang sino ka. How can I respect a woman like you even if you are a senator? And besides, you also have many cases to face. Marami pang akusasyon din sa iyo. Oh, pagkatapos gaganituhin mo kami, ano kami, mga tanga? Ang taong bayan, tinatanga ninyo. Alam ng lahat kasi nungalingan nyo, lalo na kingdom ang ginamit ninyong former workers. Ilan ang kingdom workers dito nakatira? There are 1,000 workers here. Living here. Na alam nila lahat yun. We have more than 10,000 working force as full-time workers. Alam nila lahat yan. May siya kaming buong pamilya. Alam nila kung sinungaling ko, hindi. Tapos, tinakpan ang mga mukha nyo. Tapos, pinagkakailapan ninyo na binayaran ninyo. You cannot fool the Filipino people. By doing that, akala mo maging vice president ka dahil yun ang ambisyon mo at our expense, you will never make it. You will never make. This has destroyed you. It did not destroy me or the kingdom. It strengthened us more.